Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Vondra and welcome back to my channel, Typical Black Queen.
Like a queen, like a queen upon her throne.
In today's video, we'll be talking about wash day, but with a twist. But before we jump right into it, you have one job and one job only, and that's to become my friend. Why? Because I do not share any of my secrets and my good things with strangers. We have to become friends. In order to become my friend, you gotta hit that red subscribe button below. I am bringing something new, black, and beautiful to the table. I'm going to be showing you my updated wash day routine with none other than the one and only and new My Black is Beautiful new Golden Milk collection. You heard me right, and if you didn't know, now you know. My Black is Beautiful created a line of hair care products that are specifically catering to the unique and diverse hair types in our community. Now you're probably wondering where this twist comes in on a regular wash day routine video. The gag is, My Black is Beautiful line of hair care products can be incorporated days after your wash day routine. Okay y'all, so enough of me talking about it, let's get into it. I'm starting off my wash day with My Black is Beautiful Golden Milk Collection Hydrating Shampoo. Before we even get started, I heard wonderful things about the smell of these products, and people were not lying. It smells amazing, something like out of Bath and Body Works. The hydrating shampoo is creamy and lightweight, which is perfect for my dense 4C hair. Out of the bottle, you get this pretty golden color, and then applying it to my hair, it instantly lathers on contact. The hydrating shampoo cleanses without stripping, increases moisture retention, and restores hair strength. Usually I can tell right away when a shampoo strips my hair as soon as I rinse it out, but with this hydrating shampoo, it left my hair very soft, and its lightweight consistency didn't leave a film of buildup on my scalp. The My Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection comes with an intense recovery treatment and a fortifying conditioner. I decided to go with the fortifying conditioner. This restorative conditioner moisturizes, softens, detangles, and improves elasticity. What I like the most about this conditioner is its creamy texture, which gives my hair enough slip to detangle itself while I'm conditioning. The conditioner was super easy to rinse out, and just like the shampoo, did not leave a film or buildup on my scalp. Y'all, now this Moisture Luxe Detangling Spray is my favorite product out of this whole collection, and I'll let you know exactly why a little later in this video. But this detangling spray adds a layer of moisture that makes the comb through process easy while nourishing each strand. I'm going to pair the detangling spray with the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream for type 4 hair. What is super dope about the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream, you can either get it in type 3 or type 4. I got the type 4. And this product is what I call a twofer, because not only is it a conditioning cream, but it can also be used as a styler. I'm pretty sure you could tell what style I'm going for because of the beginning of the video, but if you don't know or you can't guess it, I went with a 2-strand twist out. This is where the twist part of the wash day comes in. I rocked my 2-strand twist for a good 4 days. For 2-strand twist to be nice and poppin' as a twist out, after a couple of days of wearing your 2-strand twist, you have to keep your twist hydrated. On the second or third day, I wanted to add some more moisture back into my 2-strand twist. This is the part where I reintroduce my favorite product from the Golden Milk collection. Because each and every one of these products are infused with turmeric, honey, coconut, and ginger, it added moisture back to my hair, so I didn't have to use it just as a detangler. I use it as a restorative spray to bring life and shine back to my twist. Now, if you're anything like me, you can only leave your 2-strand twist in for a couple of days because I was so over them. But the best part about this style is that it goes from one style to another. Thanks to my Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection, I was able to keep my shine, keep my softness, and have a hold of definition on my hair with this twist out. I love the way my hair came out and the definition of my twist out so much that I decided to only separate once or twice just to keep my tendrils intact. I can honestly say this is one of my best twist outs of all time. The shine, the definition, just the softness of my hair. A little fluffing with my rake comb got my hair to the height and the volume that I wanted. And now with this beautiful style, all I have to do is seal the deal with my Black is Beautiful Golden Milk Collection Edge Slayer. The Edge Slayer is a flake-free formula that keeps edges from reverting while providing superior shine and all-day flexibility hold for the next day styling. I absolutely love using the My Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection. From the beautiful packaging to the sensational aroma, these products did exactly what they were made for. Alright friends, this is the end of the video, and of course my results from my Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection turned out beautiful. If you love this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you really love this video, leave me a comment below. And don't forget, you can only find my Black is Beautiful Golden Milk collection at your local Sally Beauty store. Until next time, curl friends, see you later.